India has 8 units of president. Controller. Ashoka R. Ashoka National Liver. National King Cobra. India is our country.
The capital of India is New Delhi. India has 28 states.
India has 8 union territories. The present president of India is Srimati Draupadi Murmu.
The present Prime Minister of India is Sri Narendra Modi.
Now we are going to learn national symbols of India.
National flag. Tiranga. National anthem.
Janagaramana.
National song.
Vande Mataram.
National animal. Bengal tiger. National bird.
Indian peacock.
National flower.
Lotus.
National tree.
Banyan tree.
National emblem.
Lion capital of Ashoka are the four-headed lion.
National fruit.
Mango.
National vegetable. Pumpkin. National river.
Ganga.
National heritage animal.
Elephant.
National aquatic animal.
Ganges river dolphin.
National currency.
Indian rupee.
National reptile. King cobra. Thanks for watching.